Alright, HVAC people, so today I'm going to show you how to change out a light bulb in a 2016 Chevy Express. I think all these light bulbs on the 2017 Chevy Express, if you're lucky, they come with the whole bulb. Very easy to change out. All you need is a Phillips head screwdriver and your bulb. After 2017, I think they went with the small bulbs that you got to actually open the hood, pull some plastic back, and get to some screws to change the bulb out. But if you're lucky, you got one of these models, and they're very simple to change. So the headlight should be on. I already changed this one out maybe 6 months ago, so they went out maybe 6 months behind from each other. So we're gonna get this one replaced. Go ahead and turn the truck back off. All right, I'll take a sip of coffee to get started. Like I said, all you need is a Phillips head screwdriver and 2 screws back there. There go one, and the other one should be right up in here. So you're just gonna take those screws out. Best to do it by hand, not a drill, but I guess you can get a drill with an extension. Good to have a magnetic screwdriver. You won't lose your screw. See if I can grab that screw there. All right, so you don't have to take this top part back out. Well, you don't have to take it all the way out, just kind of lean it back a little bit. Got to kind of play with it like this, but you can see there goes the back. So pretty much you got to unplug that harness back here. All right, let me go turn them other lights off. You want to make sure your lights is off. Alright, so now we just grab our old bulb. Shut that door. So we get our new bulb, take this protector off. Just kind of make sure they're the same. All right. Just trying to get this behind you. Frame. Alright, so make sure that horn is in there pretty good. Alright, so we're gonna do it like this. So disclaimer, I'm not a mechanic, so we ain't gonna be able to finesse it like this HVAC. Alright, so now that we got that put back in there though, probably good to test it before you put your screws back in, but I'm confident we got the harness in there pretty good, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my screws in. Like I say, I'm definitely not a mechanic. I got it upside down. And this supposed to be a how-to video, folks. The reason I say I got it upside down, it may not matter, but just in case it needs a drain or something like that. I want to make sure it's in the right way. Probably why it was so kind of hard to do. The reason I say it's upside down, they got two little dots right here. I want to turn this way. There we go. That's sitting in there a lot better, I think. Yeah. That sits off in there better, so just make sure you have your name the correct way. Savannah. Alright, so I go ahead and test it now. Turn it on. Alright, there you have it. Got lights, light bulb change. 2016 Chevy Express. So it's come from AutoZone, part number H6054 by Savannah. 2016 Chevy Express headlight. I think 2010 through 2016.